We've been given a directive or a goal of reducing our herbicide use over all of our vineyards over the next 5 years. So over the last 3 years we've had an ongoing trial investigating alternatives to herbicides and how that affects the vines. So we've been looking at mowing, cultivation, living mulch and weed mats, comparing them to herbicide, which is what we'd normally do. We took the fruit from these trials and took them into the BRI winery. They can make the wines and then we can have the wines back and assess them and determine the differences in wine quality. One of the more interesting alternatives to herbicide is undervine cover cropping, so replacing the herbicide with preferred species that we plant underneath the vines. We thought this idea had a lot of merit, so we want to dive a lot deeper into that. I relied heavily on the BRI trial design fact sheet, which was super helpful for me for being more practical and less sort of sciencey.
So back in 2020, we conducted a needs analysis. So what information would they need to implement undervine trials or inter-row trials with greater confidence on their vineyards. Off the back of that needs analysis, we developed a cover crop assessment handbook and a trial design fact sheet.
Yeah, with the help of the fact sheet, we were able to understand how to properly implement a randomised plot design easily. Having a proper, robust scientific trial will mean the results will have a lot more value and we'll be able to take those results and with confidence apply them to the rest of our vineyards.
We're really that pivotal point in between industry and science providers and also connecting industry with the right scientific tools that they might need to implement trials on their own vineyards. So it's really important to us that wine growers are able to access all of the resources that we create really easily so that they can take the information and implement trials on their own vineyards. So all of that information is readily available and accessible on the NZW website.